Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best chair gym in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick is Chair Gym version Deluxe. Personal trainers will most definitely recommend this chair gym to those with mobility problems and the elderly. They can add to exercise regimen with over 50 drills done all without straining their delicate backs. This chair will help you in improving your strength and mobility. The results will show. This chair gym comes with 3 resistance levels. You can do up to 50 resistance exercises with this chair gym. The chair gym can be taken apart and reassembled easily and quickly. You can take it in your endeavors, set it up quickly and go about your daily exercise requirements. The chair gym also takes up very little space overall. You can convert that little space in your house into a fully fledged workout zone. For the said people with movability problems, you store it under your comfort zone, unfold it and get to do your stuff, twist, shout and get it all out. Who says exercise has to be at a gym? Take a seat and get your sweat on with the Chair Gym Deluxe. Get a total body workout in just minutes a day. With 3 levels of resistance and a guide giving you over 50 types of exercises, there is no shortage of routines the Chair Gym Deluxe can offer. And, with the bonus twister seat, you can add in core and oblique workouts as well. Number 2. Our second best pick is Lifesay Beach Pilates Pro Chair Max with sculpting handles. Your workouts will be better and possibly more rewarding when using the Beach Pilates Pro Chair Max. It targets beginners as well as seasoned individuals. The item comes with sculpting handles for extra versatility and a space-saving design that suits it even in small locations like studios, dorm rooms, or apartments. It also includes 6 workout DVDs, Pilates Pro Chair, Makeover Guide, Manual and Instructional Poster. The split-step pedal mechanism allows you to exercise the arms and legs either together or individually. Split-step pedal system allows for legs and arms to be worked out individually or together. The spring system lets you adjust your resistance levels, making it perfect for beginners or experts to sculpt and tone your entire body. Low-impact exercises that deliver results without the aches and pains from lifting weights and running on treadmills. Increase cardio, strengthen your core and burn fat all in one machine. Pilates Pro Chair is an all-in-one home gym to mix in with your yoga, ab resistance, workout bands and mat Pilates workouts. This chair is great to increase balance, build muscles, burn fat and tone your entire body. Number 3. Our third best pick is Chair Gym the Total Body Workout. This resistance chair from Home Gym offers a full body workout system. You can also use it for rehabilitation purposes. You can exercise your arms, chest, shoulders, abdomen, back and legs all in the comfort and stability of this chair gym. This chair gym is very helpful for people with movement or stability issues because you can do all your fitness routines seated. In addition, the elderly can find it very helpful to gain fitness. The price of this chair gym is reasonable for what you get. The materials used are of high quality metal that will surely stand the test of time. You can use this chair gym to tone your body and develop your muscles with over 50 cardiovascular exercises regardless of its compact size. Its size can also be very handy as you can move it easily. The chair gym is also very light, making it easy to carry, especially helpful for those with back issues. You can go to your gym where you want with this chair gym. With this chair gym, you can do short routines that help attain daily physical needs in most cases. You can push yourself to attain daily goals and get to add even more daily. This is made possible as you can buy more weights to add to the system from the manufacturer if you would like. However, more often than not you want this chair gym in order to get or stay in tip-top shape. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Back Brace Posture Corrector. This resistance chair from VQ Action Care is fully equipped for a wide range of low-impact, Resistance-based exercises. You can do multiple full-body workouts from the comfort and safety or the resistance chair. This chair takes up minor space in comparison to others. As a result, you can use it opportunely in smaller rooms. The resistance chair is lightweight. This can be derived by the fact that the total weight of the resistance chair itself is only 24 pounds. You can fold it and roll for easy storage. This is also advantageous when it comes to traveling. This resistance chair is very strong and can support people of up to 400 pounds. Tall people, with a height of 6 foot 5 inches, can comfortably use it. Its height is 39 inches and width is 21 inches when spread out. This chair gym is suited for people who are new to the gym world. Unlike with other equipment, you will not lose interest in it after a short duration of time. With the right energy, you will get to love this home chair gym and receive the health benefits that come with it. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Resistance Chair Beginner Pack. This resistance chair from Action Care comes ready to use out of the box. Once you are relaxed, you can do a set of sequences on the resistance chair. The exercises promote lowering your blood pressure and a stress-free environment. You can correspondingly increase your stamina, get a healthy heart rate and blood flow. The Better Balance DVD included in the pack is complimentary for different types of exercises. In this DVD, you learn a range of motions, mobility, flexibility and promotion of blood flow using the resistance chair. The routines are fun and easy to follow to help you achieve better health. You also get a Leisurely Living DVD from VQ Action Care. This slow-paced instructional video shows how to condition your body on the resistance chair. Its program contains stretching, low-impact resistance training and posture awareness. You will get to increase your range of motion, develop strength, endurance and balance. You can do all the drills from the Leisurely Living DVD via the resistance chair. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback, like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.